Come this side.
ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बात नहीं हुई थी.
हाँ.
ये क्यों किया आपने?
This is additional.
Sorry, cut. I've not been with the camera in like ages.
Hi Simi. Welcome to Fashion 5 with Kin. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. So let's begin. If you could raid any celebrity's closet for a day, which celebrity that would be?
It has to be Rekha ma'am.
Yes.
I want to know where are all these amazing sarees coming from. I want all the sarees.
Yeah, I
So
just
one-
love her style.
I love her style. And she styles herself, by the way.
Yeah.
One of her interviews, she said that I style myself. कौन इतना time लगाएगा, you know? So she has her own styling way. So I was like, yeah.
And she's such an icon. Like I just look up to her
Yeah.
and I just admire her
That's
style.
true.
Yes. Yeah.
With that gajra and that banasi.
Yeah.
sari,
And then her
like,
sleek bun and
Oh.
everything. My God.
and that personality, please, to
Yeah.
die for.
Yes. Okay. The current fashion trend that you really admire.
I think one thing that has never gone out of trend are bell bottoms.
Yeah.
And I think they're coming back again.
They're coming
I think
back
they've
again.
been here in trend for quite some time.
Yeah.
The bell bottoms for me. I think I get inspired by the 2000s. Like everything about 2000s and bell bottoms is one of them. So
Yes.
definitely that.
Oh, lovely. Which is your go-to fashion accessory that you really like can't do without?
Oh my god. There's nothing like that.
Like you don't leave your house without that. It could be anything: earrings, glares, that one bag of yours. It could just be anything. Nothing.
So this one necklace which I don't show it to anybody.
Okay.
It's like it has my initials, and my mum and my dad's initials. So it's
Wow.
like me, mum, and dad like have a mixture of initials. So I don't leave without that. I don't have it right now.
Yeah.
But
That's
it's
like your go-to accessory.
yeah, it's like it's not for everyone to see, but it's mine.
Oh yeah.
And
It's very sacred to you.
it's very
Yeah.
sacred. I don't show it to everybody.
What's the most adventurous or bold fashion choice you've ever made?
Okay, I think makeup is also part of fashion
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
So I had this whole phase of orange neon lipstick.
Wow.
Nobody wants to see.
You have a picture of that?
I know. It was like the Facebook phase
Yeah.
in 2013, 14. I don't know why, but I had that. And the second I can think of is a bit recent. Like it was my graduation.
Yeah.
And nobody knows that I'd worn a bikini top
Oh,
for
with
my
a sari.
With a sari.
Wow.
So that is bold. I
Yeah.
wouldn't say that it's embarrassing, but it was bold.
Yeah.
It was cold.
Oh my
It was,
god.
it was in the middle of like nowhere.
Yeah.
And it was cold, and I was wearing this short bikini top with my sari, and everybody was like, "Ooh, what is a
Oh,
sari?"
wow.
And I was like, just like,
Yeah.
that
Damn
was
cool.
good.
Yeah.
I don't do such things
Yeah.
because I'm like, "Nee, I'll go by the books."
Yeah, but it's sometimes like good to experiment, and I love neons. I love everything that is like
Really?
bright and neon and
मेरा face था, मेरा हो गया.
I'm still in that phase, and I think I'll carry that for long.
You can figure it out.
Yeah.
But no, that blue one I love.
Yeah.
But that orange lipstick. I
Yeah,
don't know.
orange lipstick, I'm not too sure, but like neon nails or neon liners and all that is my thing. I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
love
yeah.
that.
But lipstick was a lot.
Little bold, yeah. The next question is: do you have a fashion mantra that you follow while you're putting looks together?
Just go with the flow.
Yeah.
I don't overthink my looks at
Yeah.
all. Sometimes I just have these two things that I've been wearing for like years, okay,
Yeah.
that nobody will know. And I'm like, how will I do it? And then just go with the flow, whatever
Yeah.
I feel. Sometimes the most weirdest things, the most honest things can make a look just
Yeah.
accentuate. So I think just go with the flow. For me, it's
Yeah.
like, it's not even like comfort or anything, just go with the flow.
Yeah.
Like,
Very easy breezy,
Easy
not
breezy.
tracking your brains a lot, basically.
This-
Yeah.
I was just like,
Yeah.
That's
Totally,
it.
totally rocking the Mumbai summers.
have to, no?
Yeah,
Uh,
imagine.
all my clothes are either when you stay in the UK, you don't show your skin.
At
So
all.
here I'm just like,
Yeah,
show your skin.
enjoying the Mumbai weather.
yes.
If you could create your own signature fashion line, what would that be like?
Denim and glitter.
Yeah.
Everything denim and glitter.
Wow. And actually, if you notice, for all the Coldplay concerts, everybody went like full denim on denim, and then shimmer eyes and glittery skirts and shimmer skirts. So that
Denim
is-
on denim is you should not have pulled that off.
Yeah.
But I love denim on denim. Then glitter and denim, I think these are like my go-to.
Wow.
Like it can never go out of
Yeah.
trend for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. So this was it. Thank you so much. You answered
you.
all the questions really well. And I would like to give you something, a little sweet something from my side. It's a Costume Tales badge as well
Love
as a
it.
magnet that you can just,
I love it.
use it.
I love it.
Oh,
लगा लो. ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बात नहीं हुई थी.
हाँ.
ये क्यों किया हमने?
This is additional.
Sorry, cut.
Follow her for more fashion advice. And thank you, Simi, for being here. It was great fun.
Mm.
Bye.